In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoom on Mac. If you want to install Zoom on your Mac quickly and correctly, I'll walk you through the process in a simple, clear way. There are a couple of ways to get to the Zoom download page, and I'll explain both so you can use whichever is easier for you. Start by opening Google on your Mac. Once you're there, click into the search bar and type download Zoom on Mac, then press return to search. In the results, look for the Zoom download page for Mac and click on it. Make sure you're selecting the official Zoom page so you're downloading the correct app safely. When the Zoom download page opens, you may see options based on your Mac chip type. This is important because some Macs use Apple Silicon chips like the M1 or M2 series, while others use Intel processors. Choose the version that matches your Mac. If you're not sure which one your Mac has, you can check that separately in your Mac's system information before downloading. Once you've identified the correct version, click on it to begin the download. There's also another way to reach the same area if you already use Zoom and prefer going through your account. In that case, go to the Zoom website and log into your account. After signing in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the profile icon. From there, find the option to download the Zoom app and click it. This will take you to the appropriate download section where you can continue with the Mac version you need. As you go through this process, take a moment to confirm that the page you're using belongs to Zoom's official website. That helps avoid downloading outdated or unofficial files. Also, if your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location you'll remember, such as your downloads folder, so it's easy to find afterward. That's it for getting Zoom downloaded on your Mac. The key parts